Lake Katherine Nature Center and Botanic Gardens is an 85-acre nonprofit park that offers habitats such as woodlands, prairies, wetlands, and gardens for over 300 organisms. An estimated 100,000 people come to the park each year to hike, jog, walk their dogs, or simply to enjoy nature's beauty that includes a 10-acre lake and opportunities to see wildlife. The park is made up of more than 11 gardens, such as the Herb Garden, the Butterfly Garden, and the park's most beloved, the Waterfall Garden. Most of our visitors that experience Lake Katherine are not aware of how the park came about and what exactly shared the same grounds 27 years ago. The park was created in 1988 to provide public recreation and opportunities for residents of Chicago's southwest suburbs. The man-made lake was used as a retention basin to hold storm water before it flowed into the 60-mile-long waterway, known as the Calsag Channel. It serves as a navigational channel for barges, industry, and wastewater. Now Lake Katherine is most famous for the scenery used for special occasions, such as weddings, picnics, and even prom pictures. Here in Lake Katherine, we offer nature and wildlife classes for children of all ages to attend and learn more of what kind of species they can find in nature. We have a number of knowledgeable staff at Lake Katherine who are able to give talks on a variety of nature-based topics. There are plenty of outdoor activities available for anyone who comes. During the warm season, you can run a canoe or kayak and enjoy the lake. As you paddle, you may run into some of our friendly wildlife. If you are walking the trails, you can stop at one of our many benches to take a break and take in your surroundings. Or, if you are in the mood for cycling, the Calsag Bike Trail provides a flat surface for you to get miles under your belt and enjoy the private and wooded paths of the eastern trails. Now that you have learned about Lake Katherine Nature Center and Botanic Gardens, come out and experience it for yourself, because in every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks.